What's up, guys? Welcome back to Southwest Overland. This time we have a little adventure we took to Kilbournes Hole. It's a volcano crater that's south of Las Cruces. Let's check it out. This time we did choose to take my wife's Grand Cherokee, which is really well equipped, and hit the dirt road. Cell phone reception is very scarce in these areas, but the roads are really well maintained, so you're able to have a little fun. As you're headed out there, you will see signs that will assist you in getting to your destination. Just remember, there is cattle on the road, so you gotta be careful with that too. As you get closer, you will see an Oregon Mountain sign. Kilbournes Hole will be located to your right, alongside a series of sand dunes. The views never cease to amaze at this location. We ended up going out with a few family members just to scope out the spot. This was a single day adventure and allowed us to test out some of the gear that we hadn't played with yet. With that came breakfast time. The rock formations and natural features of this location are stunning and are very worth much to visit. If you do decide to get onto the sand dunes and play around, I do suggest airing down, just to minimize the possibility of getting stuck, but they're a blast. We did this short trip with anticipation of the larger trip, so stay posted. But either ways, I would like to thank you for joining us on another adventure. If you like the content, remember to like and subscribe. And don't forget, go out and explore life.